Good morning guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey, I am Shaki. So guys, by the way, I think I need to, for those who don't know me, I need to start introducing myself better. So I'm Shaki. I'm a Jamaican Christian YouTuber. So if you're interested in mostly vlog content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Today, I'm gonna be starting a weekend vlog. So yes, I want to do a weekend vlog today. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Anyway, so it's Friday and I'm heading to work. If you're new, I'm a teacher, so pretty much I don't show a lot of my work because I can't show up in it. I hardly show them. You can't show them without permission, and I not got jail for not it. So anyways, I don't normally put them in the vlogs and so on. So yeah, even though they want to put them in there, but I'm not put them in there. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Again, subscribe if you're new, comment, leave a comment down below, and enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, so I am back home. So I'm part of this mentorship program thing, and we're supposed to be having rehearsals for the launch of the program tomorrow. So I have to be taking the pictures and then all of that. So I'm heading there. Well, I was there a while ago, came for my charger, so I'm gonna head back over there now. So yeah. Okay, so this is dinner for tonight. I'm having some fries that I fried, some banana that I also heat up by frying, sausage, and a fruit. It's about this and this one over here. So this is the orange carrot, this is the orange pineapple. I wanted to try them both, so my mom's gonna give me some of hers, I'm gonna give her some of mine. So yeah, so we can both try them. So yes, good morning guys. So I have been up for quite a few minutes now actually. It's Saturday, so happy Saturday. So yes guys, I have been up for I don't think it's that long though, it's not that long. So I'm trying to prepare my breakfast. So I've been doing some short form content because I've been loving the short form content and it gets more views. I don't know if it's because it's shorter, so people kind of just watch and go through. I don't know. Anyways, so let me just show you guys what I'm making. You guys can go and watch the short form content for the details of the breakfast. So yeah, I'll show you guys the end product of the breakfast when I'm done. So just wanted to say hey guys, and all of that wood with that butter, my bread and butter. I'm doing some toast, and I love the toast from the pots, so that's the one I'm doing. It's bomb. I'm when my toast burn up, but not too burnt. So yes, I'm starting off breakfast with some, what do you call this, peppermint tea. Yeah. Okay, so this is the breakfast that I made. I was trying to make omelets over, make can't flip it, but I don't know how them do it at the hotels. I was trying to do that one. Anyway, so I did toast bread and some omelet kinda eggs. So yeah, that's the breakfast. So in the eggs, I have tomatoes, onions, and frankfurters, and then I seasoned it. So just go ahead and watch the short form so you guys can see the process. Alright guys, so taste test. I already know how this tastes. Not as crispy, not as tasty. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, so I'm done with my breakfast and I decided to drink some juice because I drank tea before I started eating, so I just want something for carry on the breakfast. So I'm drinking this Fruta premium juice. Yeah, I bought 3 of them yesterday. Me and my mom's drank 2 of them yesterday. So I bought the orange pineapple and the orange carrots, and we both tasted it, and trust me, they are good. Like, they taste like the tropical redeem juice them. Yeah. So I poured out some of this like in a bottle because I didn't want to drink the entire thing because I'm gonna be too full. So pour like 3/4 it. I'm gonna drink this. So I'll have the rest of it for like lunchtime, or yeah, lunchtime. Alright, so let's just show you guys. So this is the bottle of the orange pineapple one, and then this is the can. Oh, that's the bottle, the can. This is the can of the orange carrot one. So these are what I bought yesterday. I drank these 2 yesterday, and I just drank out some of this morning. I left the rest in the fridge. They are pretty good. They are really good. And they're not acidic, they're juice. As it says, it's juice, not soda. So yeah. I do have some work to do today. Not that much, just to clean. And then later on I have this something I was at practice for yesterday. The what do you call it? It's a mentorship thing, and they're launching the program today at 6. So I have that to go to 6 o'clock. Yeah, I have that to go to 6 o'clock. So I don't want to do too much today. I did the program yesterday. I did the thing for the mentorship program as well yesterday. I did my lesson plans and so on at work throughout the week. I started my tests, and it's not like it due, so I can do it next week as well. So I did paper 2, so I can do paper 1 next week. So I'm gonna need 4, but no schoolwork today, right? So yeah, I'm gonna, honestly, the place hot. There is a heat wave, I think, in Jamaica at the moment, or in the world. I don't know if it's in the world, but the days has been, since week, have been very, very, very hot. And they said that this week is going, today, Saturday, is going to be the hottest of them all. And trust me, I already feel it. I'm gonna need to open my window or door. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna clean the kitchen. I'm also gonna be doing the short form clean with me, so I won't be doing like this one in the vlog because I think you guys have seen that a lot, but I want to do a little aesthetic kind of vlog. So this is the kitchen, nothing too much for wash really, so I'm just gonna start clearing out the drainer and then clean up, and I'll speak to you guys later. Alright guys, so the kitchen is now clean. So yes, I'm gonna leave out of the kitchen now. I've been watching vlogs and so on again. So this is like a new person. I haven't yet subscribed, still trying to consider if I want to subscribe. But anyways, kitchen is clean, and I'm gonna head into my room right now. Alright guys, in my room, I have not that much to do in the room, honestly. My beds are supposed to be made up after we made this one because this pull up. This one, when we sleep on, need to make up. And I got a pile of clothes right there that I need to fold and then just straighten up and stuff. And then, I'm telling you, this heat though, this heat is what's killing me. I mean, if you take out this off of my head, like, it's so hot. Anyways, so I'm gonna just rest for like 5 minutes. I am tired, so it is currently 10:53. I want to get everything done, and when I mean everything, I mean like finish cleaning my room and wash my hair, shower, and like buy my clothes that I'm gonna be wearing later, iron it, you know, all of that before 12, let's say 12:30, because I want to at least enjoy my Saturday a little. So I want to just enjoy the little Saturday, like for at least 2-3 hours, yeah, before the function, because I want to start getting ready about 4 o'clock and then or 4:30. So I think then suppose it starts at 6 and I live pretty much like right beside the place, so I'm gonna chill 5 minutes. I'm tired. Ignore the pigs over there. Them just ever make nice when I turn on the camera. I'm actually folding my clothes right now. I made my bed. Can't matter if you get up for sure now. So I made my bed. So that over there is clean. I did straighten up over there. I didn't have really much to do. So yeah. So I'm just gonna fold my clothes, put them away, and then cool off, go wash my hair. Hey guys, so it is currently 1:37 p.m. right now, and I just got finished showering and I washed my hair. I need to go and dry it. However, I kind of feel like I wanted to go and towel dry for a minute, so I'm gonna be eating something. Thinking of doing some of this thing here. Thinking of doing some corned beef with some crackers. I'm trying to think if I should fry it up or I want to do it mayo. I'll fry it up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like, and I'm eating it with some water crackers, Excelsior, while watching YouTube. So that's lunch. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I actually started to tell you guys, like after I came back from the event, so the mentorship event that I was at yesterday, it went pretty well. Honestly, it was good. So I was like, I didn't get to vlog because I was the technical person, plus I was playing like the music for like the dance and like their presentations and so on. Plus I was also the photographer, so the camera that I'm using, I've always wanted to use it to take pictures and so on. So I was trying it out yesterday, trying to find like the right settings and so on, because that's my problem with this camera. I don't know the right settings that will fit for a professional looking photo. So I played around with it yesterday and the pictures weren't too bad. Still need some work, you know. So so the founder of the program, she gave us some gift bags, and she gave me a gift bag. Well, she was giving them to the mentees and she gave me a gift bag. I wasn't expecting a bag. It is, so it's just some little tokens, nothing too much. But I have two favorite things in here that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm not gonna share like everything, but it's just like a bag of goodies. So you know, I wanted to share with you two of my favorite things from the bag. So the first thing is this metal garden sign. It is just, you guys see, yeah, it's just adorable. So it says love grows here, and this is what it's supposed to look like in the garden, this right here. So yeah, I think this is really cute. So I'm guessing that the stand is in there somewhere. I don't know, but if it's not, then I was saying, because when I first looked at it without looking at the name, I was saying that it could actually go like in the house somewhere, like to just hang up. But this is really cute. This is so cute. I love this. So yes, if you don't know by now, I love like house decor, them kind of stuff there. Yeah, I love them stuff there. So that was one of my favorite things. And then the other favorite thing is this book. So I got a reading book, and it's called, it's a Holly Chamberlain's book, Home for Christmas. It's a storybook. It says, in a charming Maine seaside town, a single mother longs to create a memorable Christmas for her two daughters and receives a chance to make her own wishes come through. So, ooh, this is nice. So this is a storybook, so I'm gonna love this. This is so nice. And it's about Christmas too. Yeah, so I'm at church right now. So today it's Family Sunday, as I said, and our family is wearing yellow. So I'm gonna have no yellow dress. So I can imagine my favorite color is yellow. I do not have the yellow dress, so I wore my white dress and I wore like yellow accessories and a yellow heels. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.